Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and run Python programs on an Android device. Stay tuned. Okay, so the app requirements for this video are TermUX and Acode. If you don't already have TermUX installed on your Android device, please pause this video, check the description below for a link to one of my videos on how to install TermUX. But here's how to install Acode. Okay, so at this point you have maybe successfully installed TermUX and Acode. I'm currently in TermUX. If you watched my other video, you would know a bit of information to get your way around in TermUX. So now that we are in TermUX, I'm going to show you the commands to install Python. So here they are. First, run apt update. Then apt upgrade. And Y for yes. Okay, so after that, run the command apt install python space -y, then wait for it. So I have already installed Python on my device. You will realize that downloading will okay. So when you run this command on your TermUX, it will install Python on your TermUX device, but I've already installed mine. So to launch the Python interpreter, simply type Python in your command line to enter. Then the Python interpreter pops up. So let's experiment. Print hello world. Okay, so you see this is the Python interpreter. Let's check the version. Okay, so you can get out of the Python interpreter using Ctrl+D. Then let's check the Python version. So currently I have Python 3.10.2 installed on my device. So using this, you can run your Python code. So we are going to create a simple Python script, and for this you are going to use Acode. We are going to use Acode to write our scripts, and we'll use the Python interpreter through TermUX to run the code. So launch Acode. Launch Acode and click the three buttons at the top. Then click new file. Then name your file, let's say main.py. It's important that your document ends in .py to identify it as a Python script. So click OK. Then you've created your Python script. So let's fill it with a few Python commands. Print okay, so let's just leave this simple command, print hello world. Now to save your document, click on the three buttons again, then click on save as and select a folder. I'm going to save mine in my documents folder. So my document, then save here, then main.py. Okay, now our document is successfully saved in my documents folder. So now we are going to run the document using TermUX. So launch TermUX once more, then change the directory to your documents, browse to your documents directory. To do this, type cd/sd card followed by the name of the directory you save your file in. Mine is the document, so sd card, so documents. Okay, so I'm now in my documents folder. Use ls to display the files in the documents folder, and you can see main.py. So to run it is the same as using a PC. Type python followed by the name of the Python script. So Python space and the name of the Python script. Here it's main.py, and enter. Then you can see our hello world there. So this is a simple, it's got the same functionality as the Python interpreter on a normal computer. So this is how to run and create Python scripts on Android. This is Temuel signing out. Thanks for watching.